We trade our hours for the currency that keeps the lights on bright. Spend the coins to buy back moments underneath the open sky. Every dollar carries minutes, every minute holds our breath. Life energy in motion, flowing between life and death. Time, money, life energy, they dance in constant exchange. One becomes the other in this quiet living range. Wealth can free the calendar or bind us to the wheel. The choice is in the balance, in the way we learn to feel. Not the master, not the slave, just a current we can steer, turning energy to meaning, year by year. Year by year. Money buys the freedom from the grind that drains the soul. Time invested wisely helps the garden gently grow. But every choice we make is spending something we can't renew. The real account is hidden, what we give and what we do. Neither fearing scarcity nor chasing endless gain, just moving with intention through the sunshine and the rain. Time, money, life energy, they dance in constant exchange. One becomes the other on this ever-changing stage. Wealth becomes a quiet bridge when held with open hands. Life energy returns the gift when purpose guides the plans. Not the master, not the slave, just a current we can steer, turning moments into meaning, year by year. Year by year. Honor every hour that you give and that you save. Let money serve the spirit, not become the only way. Rest when rest is needed, work when calling calls, and then the peaceful flow between them. That is where true living falls. So earn with steady presence, spend with mindful grace, convert the energy to love that time cannot erase. A temperate path between the having and the being free, where time and money meet the heart in perfect harmony. Time, money, life energy, flowing through our days. We learn to move between them in more thoughtful ways. Wealth can help us breathe again, and time can make us whole. And life energy is guided by a calm and centered soul. Exchange with care, time, money, energy, all become the life we share.